Hi everyone, my name is Barney, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about something incredibly important, your liver health, and how it's directly connected to weight loss and overall wellness. The supplement I want to share with you is called Liv Pure, a natural formula created specifically to support healthy liver function and help your body burn fat more efficiently. So, what exactly is Liv Pure? Liv Pure is a powerful supplement made with a proprietary blend of herbs, plant extracts, and nutrients, all carefully chosen to help your liver detox, regenerate, and boost metabolism. It comes in easy-to-swallow capsules, and the recommended dose is just 2 capsules a day with meals. Let's quickly go over the key ingredients that make Liv Pure so effective. Cameron from milk thistle, known for liver detox and regeneration. Betanin helps reverse liver damage and enhance detox. Berberine supports anti-inflammation and liver cleansing. Molybdenum and glutathione, powerful detoxifiers that flush out toxins and help your liver regenerate. Together, these ingredients work to cleanse and strengthen your liver, allowing it to process fats more efficiently and support long-term weight management. Liv Pure also includes green tea extract, resveratrol, genistein, chlorogenic acid, and taurine. Each of these has been clinically studied and proven to boost metabolism, support fat burning, and improve energy levels. Green tea and resveratrol in particular are well known for their thermogenic effects, which help your body burn calories even at rest. Now let's talk about the benefits. By improving your liver function, Liv Pure can help your body enter a natural fat-burning state. You may start to notice increased energía, improved digestion, clearer skin, better sleep, reduced appetite, and even sharper mental clarity. Another great thing is that Liv Pure is manufactured in an FDA-registered facility under strict GMP standards. It's also non-GMO, 100% natural, and contains no stimulants or artificial fillers, which means it's safe for daily use without any known side effects. If you're looking for a natural, science-backed way to support your liver and lose weight in the process, Liv Pure is definitely worth considering. Just remember, for the best results, pair it with a healthy diet and some regular movement. Even small lifestyle changes go a long way when your liver is functioning at its best. That's it for today's review. If you still have questions about Liv Pure, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to check out the official website for more details, reviews, and purchasing info. The link is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.